Hello everyone, in today's talk show we'll be having a special guest today. Our special guest is Amara.
Hello! Thanks for having me here today, Zakia.
It's my pleasure.
Have you ever heard about the legend of Mount Merapi?
What is that legend? I never heard of that legend.
So the story is about some gods who want to move a mountain because the mountain is making the Java's island unbalanced.
Oh, so the legend is from the Java Island?
Yeah, from the information I gather, all I heard about the story is from the Java's island.
Can you tell me the twist or complication of the story?
Sure. So basically, the gods want to move it over to the center of Java's island.
Then,
And the two animals were living in that place. Both of them were blacksmiths. They were excellent at making carrots. A traditional weapon, at that time, only a chosen one who can make it.
oh, I know that weapon. Then they must be an important people. How did they solve it?
They try to make them live, but they don't want to live. Every method they try, they still want to live.
Really?
Yes. So then they just give up and place the mountain on top of their house.
What happened to them?
They died, and they said that their spirits still roams or still in that area. The mountain is called Jamordika, by the way.
I see. What a twist! I thought they will move the mountain somewhere else.
I know, right?
What do you think the moral story of this legend?
Maybe don't be stubborn. I mean, like they die because they don't want to move somewhere else.
That could work.
Oh, look at the time. Let's end the talk show.
Alright, well then, that's all for this talk show. I'm Zakia.
I'm Amara, and see you again in the next talk show. Bye-bye!